How to check battery health on Android devices. So as we all know that once we start using our phone for a little too long, we notice a certain drainage in our battery. So how to fix it and how to see it, let's go and figure out. Open your phone settings first and foremost, and from this list, you have to go ahead and select the option of battery and tap on it. So right here, let me show you how you can save your battery percentage. You will find the option of battery saver mode. You simply have to go ahead and tap on the mode. Then make sure that you have toggled it on. So once you do this, you'll be optimizing your battery health. Now to check your battery health, you will have the option of battery health. If you don't have it, simply like me, simply head back from here. Then you have to go ahead and open your Play Store. So for this, we'll be needing an external application called Accu Battery, and make sure to download it first and foremost. Then tap on Open. Allow every permission it asks for. Then tap on Finish. Now once you are here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on the Health tab, which is at the side of discharging. So to see your accurate battery health, first and foremost, make sure you drop your battery to 15%, then connect your charger until it is full. Then right here in this application, it will notify you of your battery health and every background activity that is going on that will drain your battery. Isn't it a cool application? So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.